Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely went down pretty strong, but there is definitely no reason to think that this may not possibly just be a pullback to this last wave right here. So if we do break structure to the upside at a fib level, then we definitely want to go back to looking for longs just in case it does end up continuing the uptrend. If the wave A is over, it definitely may end up going down and breaking this low right here. So we need to keep our options open. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, technically we are making higher highs, higher lows right now. We don't really have a whole lot of a break of structure to the upside. So if it does, end up making a lower high and then going down and breaking structure down, then we just want to keep on looking for shorts every single chance we get. On the other hand, if it breaks structure to the upside at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I will stop looking for shorts and then I will start looking for longs on pullbacks. So I'm just following along with the wave, allowing the wave to tell me when it's complete. If I know this move down is over by seeing a significant break of structure, then I'll start looking for longs. If it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then I'll just keep on looking for shorts. And if it just keeps on going down, that's great news for us. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.